All right, so today we're talking about a guy that just got traded to the Phoenix Suns, Kevin Durant. He switched a few teams, from being on the Sonics, what you call it, Thunder, to going to the Warriors, playing on the Nets. Now he's on the Suns. That's Kevin Durant. This is just like this overall, what Topps was able to do in 07, 08, I think is really iconic with their cards. They did a little bit less of in-action play and a little bit of more posing. So like the LeBron, around this time period, I'm pretty sure they did the LeBron with the jersey in 03, 04. They're doing KD like this. So this is pretty sweet card overall. And I just like how simple it is, and the colors just are there. And then this is with the back of the card. So there's a bunch of variations of this, like the black one, the orange one. I think there's a gold one too. So this is just the base rookie card, but really pretty card overall. And I'm excited to have this for now and see what he can do in the future in the NBA.